yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a brand new set of earphones. This year is the all-new Lune ANC TWS earphones by Lavanda. These here are portable headset earphones that are designed for active noise canceling at negative 45 decibels. In addition, it has a 45-hour prolonged battery life, giving you a good amount of play for the buck. Now, if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this here's our box. It says Lune. You showcase the two different headsets right over here. On the back, kind of talks about a little bit in terms of detail. It's got 45-hour prolonged life. It's got high quality music, and it's got a flagship Bluetooth chip identical to the AirPods. Now let's go ahead and open this up. All right, and then this will go ahead and open up just like that. Nice. So on the top here, we have ourselves a user manual, and now we have our headset. So, all right, so we have some earpieces, so we can technically interchange it based on our ear size, and then we have ourselves a charging cable, standard USB-C, and lastly, we have our headset. So you have this almost like a capsule with the logo here on the front. You have your charge port here, and then you have a battery life indicator. You have 4 dots here that showcase what the battery is, and it's kind of open up just like that, and there you are. Look at that. Oh wow, they're blinking already. So okay, first thoughts, very lightweight. Have a nice high gloss finish to it. I like that a lot. And then you have this giant LED on the side here, kind of showcasing the product and kind of saying, hey, look at me. Now, I'm not sure how the sound is yet, but it actually has a magnetic gripper right over here. So exactly when you drop it in, just kind of snap into place just like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my left ear on like that. My right ear, all right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and see how fast I can connect into it. So the time is 12:02 and 3, 2, 1, and go. So click Bluetooth. Looking for ANC. There you go. Lavanda Lune. Connecting. And we've connected in a matter of less than a minute. So that's actually pretty good. Oh, cool. All right. So you can control the music by tapping on your headset just like that. This will skip the song.
Con mi piel, yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad.
All right, well, there you guys have it. This here is the Lune ANC TWS earphones. Overall, a great quality set of earphones for the bang of the buck, of course. And they do have a good amount of sound and a good amount of bass. Now, the only thing that is, there's a bit of a small static, but it's not too disturbing. But again, for the price, I have to say it's actually a great quality piece. Now, they are quite nice to look at, but they are kind of bulky as well, so just keep that in mind. And the fact that you can go ahead and interchange them, which is always a plus, as well as being able to go ahead and switch off the songs by simply just kind of tapping onto your headset just like that. Now that's actually really cool, and I like that concept, so you can go ahead and control it almost like hands-free. Now with that being said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.